Let's talk about different types of foundation models. There are many different types of foundation models, but the main three types are language models, computer vision models, and multimodal models. So language models means these models are designed to process and understand natural language, allowing them to perform tasks like language translation, question answering, and text generation. Examples of popular language models include BERT, GPT-3 and T5. That is, any foundation model that takes input as text and gives output as text. That is called language model. For example, let's say if you want to build a sentiment classifier. Example, let's say you have reviews which you have collected from various websites, and if your task is to classify the review, whether it is positive review or negative review, then you load the pre-trained model, for example either GPT-3 or any other model, train your model with the data that you have collected, and the model can predict the results, right? So that is about language models. And the next one is computer vision models. These models are designed to process and understand visual data, allowing them to perform tasks like image classification, object detection, and scene understanding. And popular computer vision models include ResNet, VGG, and Inception. That is, any foundation model that takes input as image and gives the output as image is called computer vision model. For example, let's say you have collected different car images and you want to design a new car, right? Then you can pass all the images that you have collected to the model as an input and get the new image as the output. And you can use different computer vision models. And the next one is multimodal models. These models are designed to process and understand both natural language and also visual data, allowing them to perform tasks like text to image synthesis, image captioning, and visual question answering, right? Examples of popular models: DALL-E 2, Flamingo, and Florence, right? So that is any foundation model that takes image as the input and text as the output, right? So different combinations. That is called multimodal models. This is the trending model in Gen AI right now. For example, let's say a cat is sitting on a couch, right? So which is an image, and you pass that image as the input to your model. And let's say if you want to generate the description of the image, that is the text as the output. So you are passing a cat sitting on a couch image as the input to the multimodal, and you want to generate the description of the image, that is text, as the output, right? Or you can also pass video as the input, right, and then generate the text. So it all depends on your business problem. Then you can use multimodal. And we already have several models available. For example, GPT 4.0, that is multimodal, whereas GPT 4 only works with text. And GPT 3.5 also works with text, right? And Gemini 2.0 is a multimodal, right? So depending on your business needs and what kind of data you have, you need to pick the right model to solve the problem. So the foundation model is not just about LLM, right? It's a combination of LLM, computer vision, and multimodal as well, right? That is, anything that is generated can be a foundation model. So here either text or image or the combinations, right? So anything that is generated can be a foundation model. It can generate either text or video or audio or the combination text and video together, right? Or the combinations, right? That is the multimodal. So these are three different major types of foundation models. All right. Thank you.